Alright guys, so
Are you?
we're vlogging.
What's up, guys?
That's it.
What did you want me to say?
Oh
Currently
my
on the
God.
way to
Hey,
Jimmy's
guys.
We're going
graduation.
to the Independence graduation.
2017. Oh, fuck my
Do you see
crayon.
how like her voice changes?
Look at this girl. She thinks she's a model.
I am. Look at these legs.
The Jeep.
Chicken claws.
We are at Independence High School. So much memories.
And your girl's cramping.
Oh, right here.
Hey.
And that fool, I don't know, he's looking at me. I think he did that shit. That's the broomstick. We got some ropes, some screws. Shit. Awesome.
Oh yeah, this is my hand. Break time. 3, 2. So I'm gonna put that screw in here. Screw it and make it like that. Make it like that, Stan.
They can't hear you, man, because this shit is playing. How you gonna watch this and that's just gonna be the screen is freezed up. So you knew
What the fuck the whole time?
you've been sitting here like 30 minutes watching this shit?
What the fuck?
So you've been missing your imagination or something?
Yeah, man.
Oh,
They might have a biometric identification process. That means we need fingerprints. Wish you would have told me that before.
Making a bird stand. Do you know how to make a video where it goes zzz, 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 and then done? Houston, we have a problem. We are going to have to drill another rock.
what the hell is wrong with the rock?
I fucked it up. Go this way. So you can just twist it in, you know what I mean?
Son of a bitch.
So I fucked it up.
Alright, let's go. Let's get another rock.
Let me cut this up first.
So this is what we're doing in the weekends?
Yeah.
Building bird stands.
I just need the screw longer. Let's set it down after. So get another rock. Hey, don't camera my backyard. It's ugly. Bird. Okay, what kind of rock do you want to use? Want to use that one?
This one right here?
Yeah.
Might as well.
Yeah, this is this one. This one looks cool. Come on, let's go. Oh!
What? I should stop already.
Oh god! Yeah, it's kind of weak. I think this is too big, huh? Think that's too big?
Yeah, might as well take it.
Okay. We're good.
You need glasses, man.
You don't know fucking
Watch.
protection, man.
Man, did you smoke some crack
Why?
to decide to make this shit right here?
A little bit.
'Cause that shit ain't normal, man. Food. That shit flew over here, man.
I know!
What I tell you, man?
Oh, that shit
Safety first.
especially gonna fucking went in my eyes.
Was it is a hook screw or something?
The drill.
Oh man.
Not the hook screws, it was the drill that broke.
Because it's not meant to be, man. think you should make a birdhouse.
Birdhouse?
This shit is boring.
Just wait until you all the videos together, man. We sit. You wanna try it and I'll video tape or something?
You're the expert,
Yeah.
man. I'm the shit talker. Man, most of the clip on this video is just you giving a hand job.
Fuck you.
I'm pretty sure someone out there watched this video jacking off to you. What are you doing, man? You say you're gonna go sand that shit?
Oh, fuck, I'm fucking tired.
You said you have sandpaper, man.
It's upstairs, I'm lazy to get it.
God damn.
Ouch. Just end the video with that and be like, oh yeah, we're done already. There, we gotta post that.
You serious? That's it?
Yeah, man.
Look at that gap.
It's awesome, huh? It's not done yet.
It's like freaking 3 inches, man.
Don't worry about it, Tony.
3 inches gap.
You know what I'm gonna do? A 3-inch gap my ass. Is it stable for you now, Tony?
Yeah, that's kind of awesome.
Dude. Why is it wobbly like that? Dude, this is not the right stick,
I just told your ass the screw is crooked, man.
No, it's not the screw, it's the stick. The stick is too
How are you
skinny.
gonna blame the stick when the
Because-
screw is different?
Can you balance a straight stick?
Ooh, you're just bullshitting as you go right now. I can tell, man, you're stalling.
You gotta hold up, man. Let me think. Because the stick is worthless, it doesn't want to work. My stupid buddy bought the
Where
wrong.
the hell did you get this stick from, man?
That's the stick that you use to build houses.
Yeah, where
this
do you
is
get
stick
it?
where
Where you get it from? Fucking piece of shit, guy.
Dude, I took it out.
I took my time to look for that.
How about you come back tomorrow when I'm finished? We're gonna use this as a stand. We gotta cut it into shape.
It looks like you just broke this shit off your backyard.
Yeah. I'll make it look nice.
That's a broken knife, and you hammer it down.
Yeah, man.
You ever took woodshop classes?
Mhm.
Taking the nail off the stand.
Whew. I think you're interfering with my work.
Why can't you go outside, huh?
I think you're the reason why.
What's
that
going on?
I'm not building this right. And you would have bought the right nails.
Can't believe you freaking waste my time, dude. I went to Home Depot just to buy these woods, these broomsticks.
Man, I thought you would buy a stand, not fucking broomsticks.
It is, fool.
Why the fuck you would? When I looked at it, I was like, what the fuck?
It was
Why does it look big in the picture?
There was a brush on the side
Man,
too to screw it on.
I think because you're here, you're slowing down my process.
So we got woods from the backyard off the fence. So rather than use that, broomstick out. You dropped the shit on your feet.
No, I was fucking jumped on this rock and did a break.
This shit shattered. Oh,
Aye. we're almost done to the
Are you
finish.
gonna sand the side of it?
Shut up.
You should sand it.
It's gonna look good. Watch.
Ooh, the bird's gonna get splitter.
No, I'll send it down.
You don't know how to take off a knife.
Are you gonna fix the video? Like cut off some parts?
Like what? What part, man? This is
parts-
gold, man.
The parts that we failed?
Nah, I'm gonna keep that anyway.
Nah.
But this is an amateur video. You acting like it's a professional shit. Even with my editing skills, dude, there's no way to make you look good.
There's no way. Perfect, see? It's looking good,
It ain't
right?
even perfect at all, man.
Shut up and just watch me.
I am watching it.
Trying to make it look natural as possible.
So, what's the update on this?
The update is if you would have got the ladder stick, we would have been done to part 3 already.
This would sound like it's, you sound like a parrot, man. Just like his own bird, repeating itself.
Hell yeah, I'm a repeater.
What you gonna do this time? Hammer it? My bad.
Look how perfect is it.
There we go again.
Round 4. Okay. I fucked it up.
Man, I got here at 12 o'clock. It's like 3:54 now.
Oh, want to hear a joke?
No.
What do you call a screw going into a wood?
Screw nuts.
No.
Screw woods. What?
Pinocchio having sex. You don't get it?
I forgot to laugh, man.
I'm balanced now, watch. Just when you make the video, fast forward, alright?
What do you mean fast forward?
Fast forward to make it look really good.
I can't, man. It's impossible.
Why?
I can't make it look good, man. I can't believe I stayed for 4 hours watching this food doing this.
Holy shit.
It's a fail.
We could just
Is
say
it?
it's a fail.
It's a fail.
I need a phantom screw.
What you say? You said you got this?
I got this now.
After 5 hours,
I got
3
this
rocks.
now. Okay, now I just need to drill another hole. Whew, this is burning. It would have been faster if you got the right stick, you know what I mean? So here
You
you
finally got the stick standing up.
can use this as
Now it's
one
the
of the
fun
stand.
part. It's the fun part.
He bought some long ass screws. What's next? Put some long ass screws.
Come on, you almost got it. Wow. The first piece.
And the screw is popping out from the back, but I can break that off.
Can you?
First piece of my bird nest.
What do you mean? You broke the stick?
Fail attempt 1. Redo.
You want this knife right here?
Yeah.
What's the magic word?
Please. You can throw it if you want.
Look,
Actually,
right? It's getting there.
it's getting there.
This guy is gonna build a ladder to heaven up there.
Jesus Christ.
Alright guys, so we're gonna create the design that I draw right now. Man, that's the masterpiece.
This is what we're gonna build.
Nah, I want that stair rope.
A stair rope?
It's a stair and it's a rope.
I get what you mean. What is this?
Freaking like a skyscraper, boo.
This is gonna be the house?
Yeah.
Birds. This is a stand, not a bird house. It's a bird stand.
Hey man,
That's what
that's
cages-
where you put the
that's
food
what
in.
cages
You
are
put the
for.
food inside, right there.
That's what cages are for.
See, this is gonna be a second home, man.
Hey, video camera thing too. Like, yeah.
What, that thing?
First I built this.
He bought that.
Now I'm building this. This looks better, huh?
And this is.
This is state of. This is fucking look like you can buy at the store, man. I can't wait to paint it though. I farted.
So you're gonna paint that?
Yeah.
You're gonna paint
I'm gonna put
a white, black
no oat. You know the oat.
on the tree.
No oat polish. It's pretty sick. Let's glue that down. So I can attach it here. Perfect.
Man, you don't like this shit. Okay.
Look like the KKK cross. Don't worry how.
KKK. Cross it like this.
Let me do this first. Then I'll think about your little freaking cross.
I can't believe you take this shit seriously, man. This little design shit. This is a sanitary house right here. For this little house, almost $1 million. Just so. Look at that concentration.
Make like little knots first. This process. So when you tie like that, you're gonna make ladders, bro. You get what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about, right?
I
Keep
get
tying
what
it,
you're
keep tying it,
talking
keep
about.
tying it. Okay. Oh, perfect. Awesome.
Alright, so this guy is making his swing.
You want me to make a triangle or?
Do you want a triangle? What? I've been telling you no 3 times already.
Because I fucking already started it. Now I gotta fucking undo it.
Voila, a swing. Yeah, that was my idea right there, and we just execute on it. Word. Is this what we get so far? How do you feel about it?
I feel good, man. Shit.
Hold up, man. Record my shirt. What does it say, man?
Dream. Dream of sucking dick.
You've been saying all day.
Dream of sucking dick. I'm just kidding.
Sure, okay. It's say visualize and execute, son.
Where do you go? Gravy, come here. Over here.
It's flying
Gravy,
away.
over here. Shit.
I thought you trained this bird.
He was trained. Come on now. Come here. Come here. Shit, he's gonna fly away. Come here.
Oh, that's great, man. You freaking lie on the video.
You got him. I got. I have to trim. He's only trained inside. He's not trained outdoors. Come inside.
Don't you have to cut the wings for
Come
him?
inside. Watch, close the door. Close the door. Watch. Just right now, man. Back. Gravy, back. Fucking asshole. Okay.
Whoa.
Back.
Where'd that food go?
Back. Gravy, back. Over here. Back. Now. There we go.
This guy talking to you like it's a dog or something.
Let me trim his wing. I gotta trim his wings now.
You gotta do it right now?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it now. Put on video. Doing what?
At the outcome. Speak about it.
Yep, so this is my bird house. Bird stand. Just took me like 30 minutes.